Welcome back, friends. Today I came up with another important database scenario. Let me share my screen. So hope you guys are able to see my screen. So today's scenario is like we have an orders like table lamp, mic, and table lamp. So if you observe, the table lamp has two entries. One entry is a 12 quantity, it's a 2 quantity, and other entity has 4 quantity. And mic has a one entry with 3 quantity. So what's the expected output is we need to consolidate all the products. Like we have table lamp is 2 times, right? We consolidate a table lamp and we need to sum the quantity. Like here is one time it is 3 and one time is 2 and 4. So I am expecting table lamp as a 6 quantity in the output, right? In case of mic, there is only one entry. The quantity should be 3. So that's the expected output. So let me write a data view expression for that. So I'm just printing the payload. What I'm doing, payload dot orders. So I got the orders, right? On the orders, what I'm doing is I'm grouping group by. This time I'm doing little different using infix notation. So group by name. I want to group the orders by name. For infix notation, we use dollar dot name. Then I got the this table lamp and mic as separate arrays. I consolidated. Now the next talk is I want to add this thing, right? So for that, what I'm doing is uh I want to plug. Actually, I want to do the plug on top of this thing. So I want to put this in a separate scope. I want to adding one bracket. So I want to apply plug on whole this array, right? Now on this plug, so I want to run this in a dollar notation. So plug. Then inside we have 3 entries, right? Name, number, and quantity. The first is the name, dollar dot name. As a 2 table lamps, I require only one. So name of 0. I got table lamp and mic. And second is a number dollar dot number. Here also I don't want for one entry is enough. And next finally quantity. This is important. Quantity I need to sum, right? I need to sum the both, right? For that the sum operator, sum of dollar dot qty. Right? See, I got 6 quantity as a table lamp. Only one entry with 6 quantity, right? So this is expected output. Thank you so much for watching.